welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing the April-May Try Beauty box. So let's begin. I didn't get the little card which tells me a little bit of information of the product and the price, so we're gonna have to skip on the prices, but I will definitely let you know what the product does. So the first item that we have here is by the brand Muttmaski, which is a brand that I have used before, and it's the actual product. I have it right here. This is actually a vitamin-infused eye serum. It reduces dark circles. It helps with moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. It is also fragrance free. The serum is specifically formulated for the thin and sensitive skin under your eyes. Feeds and moisturizes the skin with a blend of all natural vitamins like pomegranate, red algae, and kakadu plum. Contains the highest level of natural vitamin C in the world. You can apply this during the day and or at night. It looks like a very clear creamy texture, which is actually super lightweight, and it's very refreshing to the under eye. I really love the consistency and the formula. The next item that we have here is the brand Alter Ego, and it's a beautiful palette called Luster Charm. It is a 10 color pressed powder palette. Love the packaging. The palette has the same print on the packaging. You have a nice beautiful mirror, which is a little bit elongated but not too thin. It's just a little bit wide enough for your whole face. You have the 10 beautiful eyeshadows down here. I have to say that my favorite one was definitely Sacred. It's so nice and sparkly and glittery. I love it. It's just so beautiful. These eyeshadows are super soft and very pigmented. I did want it to do a halo look, but in the center I add two colors. So I added Radiant on the top, and at the very bottom, on the very center, I added a little bit of Sacred. When I added Crystal in the inner corner, I was just, wow, so pretty. I always get these kind of white eyeshadows, but they're iridescent, and the iridescence is pink. I actually didn't know this brand, but I did love the palette, and I liked how my eye makeup turned out. Next, we have a product by the brand Cosmetics. This brand is by Michelle Phan. Oh my god, I was so excited to try this. This is the Color Drops Serum Blush, and this is actually in the color Sunset Sky. The packaging is gorgeous. Look at it. It kind of looks like a nail polish. It's actually a glass container. I appreciate that. And it's a dropper. One drop sufficient for both of your cheeks. It is very pigmented. I actually toned it down because I thought it was too intense. This lightweight yet luxurious serum formula provides sheer buildable color and an enduring youthful dewy glow with each drop. Formulated with Sasha Inchi oil, squalane, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E to help hydrate skin. Dispense one drop to cover both cheeks. With clean hands, blend into skin with fingertips in a soft tapping motion. To intensify color, add another drop. I only used one for both of my cheeks. The formula is lightweight. It feels like sticky, but it's not so sticky. And I don't feel it in my cheeks, you know, like when you smile, I don't feel like there's something there. I do like this, and definitely will wear this when I wear less makeup too, so that it looks more natural and I keep that glowy look in there. Because right now I set my under eye all the way here, so that's why you can barely tell. I didn't even put highlight, so it kind of mattifies that area. That will give me a chance to take advantage of that glow that's in this beautiful blush. Next, we have an item by the brand Lorella Cosmetics. This is the liquid lipstick in Royalty. It's more like a raspberry pink. This is the packaging. You can see the color. The wand is actually rose gold. The dope applicator is angled. I actually find it to be a nice applicator. I had already overlined my lips, and I just filled it in with this. It dries up to a matte finish. It doesn't feel sticky or tacky. It feels comfortable. It's not drying either. And it is transfer proof. I really love the color. It's been a while since I have used these kind of colors on my lips. I normally go for like a nude lip or just not wear lipstick at all. So it's good to be back with the lipsticks. Alright, the last item that we have here is by the brand Luxie, and these are the quick wipes, the Pro Brush cleaning wipes. So you get one quilted cloth in here. It cleans and conditions your brushes on the go, keeping the fibers sanitized and feeling soft. So it's perfect for when you have to travel, or maybe you have that one brush that you didn't buy enough of and you need to use a different eyeshadow with it, or you're traveling and you're just trying not to carry so many brushes, so you can use this to clean your brush. So this is what the cloth looks like. It's a good size. I actually used it to clean, I believe in total three or four brushes in here. 3 to 4 brushes. It definitely does clean my brushes, especially if you just want to remove whatever color you just used, so you can get your brush ready for another color. It doesn't leave it oily, but it's still hydrating. I really love this idea, and it smells really, really good. It smells like a perfume. It smells like flowers, but it smells so good. If you're sensitive to scents, then you might not like this, but I'm obsessed with the smell. We get 4 quick wipes. I opened 1 and used 1, so I have 3 left. And that was everything that we got in this box. My favorite item has got to be the blush. From packaging to the product and the color, I just love it so much. Let me know your favorite item in the comments down below. You only pay $39.99 every other month. Also, if you're interested in saving a 10% of your first box, you can use my code YESME. And that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. Let me know your thoughts on this makeup look and on the items. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys to my next video. Bye!